Okay, so I downloaded Pennywise. I've got the files here. I put them into Ableton, and this is what it looks like. So all of the audio files are added to this track here in like this linear fashion. So what I have to do is organize these so that they look like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is make an audio track for each file. Yeah, so this goes like this. Or maybe it doesn't. That goes there. Let's see how this turns out. How are we doing so far? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. thing I'm thinking of is I probably don't need all these tracks. Like, could send me just a bounced version of it. Like a bounced version that consolidates like these 5 tracks or something, or some sort of way to organize these. Oops. And you can see how some of these went offline, so I need to log out, log back in so that these come back. Come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me. Some of them go unavailable while some of them stay. Okay, so that's that. Now, I need to find why these are not available. Oh yeah, look, it could see them, but they're just deactivated. For some strange reason, they got deactivated. Okay, let's see how this sounds. I'm gonna get you. So this is not going to work. So what you have to do is figure out how to get every audio track that you send me to be the full length of the song. So if the full length of the song is something like this sci-fi suspense theme, then you need to export the left coordinate with the end of the right one. So the way that I do that in Ableton is I'll set my my loop boundaries to the beginning of the song and then to the end of the song, for example, say, assuming like this right here would be the end. And right here you can see that the coordinates are at 1121. So if I export the audio, right here I have the option to render the start of the song to the end of the song. And then if I were to export this, all I have to do is just solo one of these channels so that only this track exports, and it's the full length of the song. And so to export the song, you basically just need to repeat the process I just said for each track. So after you're done exporting this one, you would unsolo that, solo the next one, export the full duration of that one. Otherwise, I don't know where to position these things. And then secondly, you could consolidate some of these things so you don't have to export however many tracks this is. What is it, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 26, 20. You know, it's like 30 something tracks or something. So what you can do is combine some of these. So like, for example, if you wanted to do, let's say we would do this one, which is bright, and then extraterrestrial, and then come with me 2B effects BIP. You could basically select the tracks that you want to export together so that when you do your bulk export, you can combine like sounds. That way I have what I need at a high level to, you know, arrange the tracks so that I could start, you know, adding stuff to it or doing whatever to it. So, right on. Yeah, let me know when you can get those things, and then I'll try to bang it out as fast as I can. Cool. Bye.